If we got a couple more, we've got quite a large size of numbers. You spoke earlier about a correction this year. Yeah, 13%, 14%. And buying the app, buying opportunities may present. So how much cash-wise would you hold back to fund this? None at the moment. I've got 90% in the stock market. So, the fact that this thing about people saying, oh, well, I'm just holding some cash in case it dips. I'm like, okay, good luck with that strategy. Have you tested it historically? Has it worked out? It seems a bit of a gamble. Okay, there might not be a correction. I'm invested in. So we want negative correlation. Well, sure, if you could actually get the example I gave you perfect negative, then that would be fine, but you're not. That's not going to happen. Okay, what you actually want is things which are as uncorrelated as possible to each other. Okay, because the perfect non-correlation amongst each other isn't going to happen. The lack of correlation has been shown by Nobel Prize winner Sharp and Markowitz to create longer-term wealth, because timing doesn't work. Eugene Fama, Nobel Prize. Okay, timing doesn't work is Eugene Fama's Nobel Prize, and Markowitz's Nobel Prize is non-correlation. Whereas what people thought was find inversely correlated assets and time the market. And these people won the Nobel Prize for showing that that was the exact opposite of what you should be doing. Hopefully that makes sense. Yes, close to zero correlation if you can get it. But don't forget, in falling markets, correlation increases. So you'll never get persistent non-correlation. It doesn't exist. When the markets fall, everything falls simultaneously. If in quieter times it's uncorrelated, chances are it's going to be a more resilient portfolio going forward. But correlation is just one factor. Undervalued, high growth. No point having something with zero correlation if it's, my bottle of water is zero correlated to Microsoft stock. It ain't going to help your portfolio, is it? So it's got to be undervalued, high growth, dividend yielding. Everyone, that's a ton of material. Let me know if you liked the way in which I did it with all the slides and the infograms and everything else. And the fact that I'm afraid it was short notice, it was at 3:00, but we had a lot of people on. So that's good. So if there's any other issues, let me know. And what I would say is actually, if you go to Campaign for a Million and you look at campaignforamillion.com/tools, you will see this. And these slides will go up on the blog over the next couple of days or so as well.